POWERMATIC is a symbol, a 90-year-old standard, deeply rooted in the tradition of providing generations of expert woodworkers with the tools and confidence needed to create and inspire. We push the limits of imagination to deliver superior equipment that is as ambitious as the men and women who depend on us. Our standard is excellence, the gold standard. That's why we are proud to introduce the PM2000B and PM3000B table saws, the third generation of the award-winning POWERMATIC table saw family. Designed to be the backbone of your shop, the PM2000B and PM3000B table saws will transform the way you work. The massive body, powerful motor, and integrated heavy-duty mobile base provide unrivaled strength and stability. The cast iron tables are oversized and precision ground with front and rear edge bevels for effortless workpiece entry. The cast iron one-piece box trunnion's world-class rigidity delivers generational longevity and produces a consistent and repeatable cut. In conjunction with the one-piece box trunnion, the Poly V belt drive virtually eliminates all vibration, resulting in a quieter, more efficient power transfer from the motor to the arbor. Offering unmatched precision, the PM2000B includes a digital readout system for exact angles. And the unyielding construction of the AccuFence system firmly locks into place for precise cuts. Ideal for any shop environment, the PM2000B and PM3000B are loaded with safety innovations and intuitive features. The redesigned arbor lock allows for quick and simple blade changes, and the oversized dust chute and built-in dust collection port maximize dust extraction for a cleaner work experience. As with every product POWERMATIC builds, the PM2000B and PM3000B push the limit of design, innovation, and durability. It's time to step up to the gold standard. Visit us at POWERMATIC.com for more information and locate a dealer near you.